Hello everyone, this is a solution from TJ Griffith, second edition, Quantum Mechanics. Here, a free particle has an initial wave function psi of x0 equal to e raised to e multiplied by e raised to minus a mod of x, where a and capital A are positive real constant. So normalize psi of x comma 0 and find phi of k. So our wave function psi of x comma 0 is equal to e raised to minus a mod of x. Normalizing it, is minus infinity to plus infinity. It's complex conjugate of psi x comma 0 and psi x comma 0, its product dx equal to 1. So this you will be getting a square, right, minus infinity to plus infinity e raised to minus 2a mod of x dx equal to 1. So a square, if you break the integration into two parts, one is negative parts minus infinity to plus infinity e raised to minus 2a mod of x dx plus positive integral from 0 to infinity e raised to minus 2a mod of x dx. This whole will give you 1. So a square at negative integral, your mod x is going to give minus x. So minus infinity to 0. So minus x and negative will become positive. So e raised to 2ax dx plus 0 to infinity at positive integral, your mod of x is going to be x. So it will be e raised to minus 2ax dx equal to 1. So integration of the first integral will give you 1 by 2a. So e raised to 0 will give you 1 and e raised to minus infinity will give you 0. Similarly for second integral, it is 1 by minus of 2a. So minus 1 by 2a in bracket e raised to minus infinity is going to give you 0 minus e raised to 0 is going to give you 1. So this ultimately is equal to 1. So finally you are going to get a square, this minus and this minus is going to be plus. So I will have to 2 by 2a equal to 1. Finally you are left with a equal to under root a. Therefore psi x comma 0 equal to under root a e raised to minus a mod of x. And for phi of k we have is in k space. So this is equal to one constant 1 by under root 2 pi integral from minus infinity to plus infinity our psi of x comma 0 multiplied by factor e raised to minus I k space k x space x multiplied by dx. So this is 1 by under root 2 pi minus infinity to plus infinity. Here it's under root a e raised to minus a mod of x and e raised to minus I k x dx. Similarly here we are going to break the integral into two parts. So a by under root 2 pi negative integral minus infinity to 0, you are left with e raised to a of x minus I k x dx plus similarly for 0 to infinity your mod of x will be again positive, so you are left with minus a x minus I k x dx. So this is a by under root 2 by integral minus infinity to 0 a raised to a minus I key x common. Similarly, you will have 0 to infinity e raised to minus a plus I key dx. So this is going to give you this phi of k under root a by 2 pi multiplied by the integral of this function is going to give you 1 by a minus k, a minus I k, and if you replace x with 0 it is going to be 1, and with minus infinity e raised to minus infinity is going to give you 0 plus 1 by, here will be minus sign because here is minus, so e plus I k, and then you are having minus infinity, so this is 0 minus 1 as before, so this will give you a by 2 pi, you are left with a minus I k, here will be plus 1 by a plus I k, so finally you will be left with a by 2 pi, so here a plus I k, here a minus I k, so I k would cancel, you will be left with 2a divided by a square plus k square. Thank you so much.